Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode Tech World. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Lakeland bank account. In order to log into Lakeland bank account, keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now let's get started. Click open any web browser in the URL box, type in www.lakelandbank.com and press the enter key on your keyboard. In order to log into your account, you can go ahead and enter your access ID inside the online banking tab right here. Once you click on the box, you'll be able to see an expanded menu. Choose your account type from the drop-down and enter your access ID. Now move over to the next box and type in your password. Double-check your password by clicking on this icon in the right corner, and in case you forgot your password, click on Forgot Password link and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. If you don't have an account yet, click on Enroll today and register yourself to a new account. After entering all the credentials correct, click on Login in order to log into Lakeland bank account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box. If you have a question or a feedback for us, I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.